Welcome to the first part of this DXNotifi tutorial. In video 1, we will show you how to get DXNotifi software onto your Raspberry Pi. Let's begin. To begin installation for the Raspberry Pi 2, you will need a Raspberry Pi 2, the housing for it, the power unit, and as well a micro SD card, all of which should be included in your Raspberry Pi 2 kit. As well, you will need a mini SD card adapter and an HDMI cable to connect the Raspberry Pi to the device you wish to display. Begin by placing the mini SD card inside of the adapter, and then connect the adapter via USB to your computer. You need to begin with the IoT Core dashboard. The Core dashboard can be downloaded through the Microsoft Windows Development Center. All you need to do is go to the link provided below and then click Get IoT Core Dashboard. Once you click that link, you will begin install. Once you've installed your dashboard, this is the first screen you should see when you open up the application. After you have connected your micro SD card via USB through an adapter, you will begin to add Windows IoT to that micro SD card. To do so, start by Set Up New Device. The device type that you're looking to do is a Raspberry Pi 2. And you want to run Windows 10 IoT Core for the Raspberry Pi 2. You'll notice that the device is already found on the USB drive. Accept the terms and download and install. You may notice that while you are flashing your SD card, Windows IoT Dashboard will notify you that any files on this SD card will be erased before processing this request. Hit continue and cancel if you wish to keep files on your current SD card. When the console screen pops up, you will notice that it is starting to apply everything that Windows IoT needs to run on the SD card. Let this process complete. You can now place your Raspberry Pi 2 inside of its housing. Be sure that you fasten it with the screws provided. Once the download and installation is finished, you will notice that a window will pop up. This window will show what files have been added to the micro SD card. You can close this window as it is not needed at this time. A good rule of thumb is then to follow the instructions that are on the IoT dashboard. Your micro SD card is now ready. Safely remove the micro SD card and place it inside of the device. The Raspberry Pi 2 has a slot for the SD card on the side. It is spring-loaded and locks in the SD card accordingly. In order to remove the SD card, just push it in slightly and it will pop out. And then in order to put it back in, just push it in and it will lock in. Remember, it needs to be pins up. Thank you for watching this first tutorial. Please continue to video 2.